Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12. Now, I can express this 16 here as product of 4 times 4. So I have 3 power 4 times 4. So we have minus 3 power. This 12 here, I can express it as 4 times 3. Now remember, if you have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of n. Applying this right here and here, I have 3 power 4 raised to the power of 4 minus 3 power 4 raised to the power of 3. So from here, I have 3 power 4 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 81. So you have 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. Can as well express this as summation of 3 plus 1. I have 81 power 3 plus 1 minus 81 power 3. So if you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. Applying this here, of 81 power 3 times 81 power 1 minus 81 power 3. 81 power 3, 81 power 3, I factor it out. I have 81 power 3 times. This divides 81 power 3. I have 81 minus. This divides 81 power 3. I have 1. From here, I have 81 power 3 times 80. And this equals, remember, 81 is 3 power 4. I have 3 power 4 raised to the power of 3 times 80. So from here, if you have a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times n. So I multiply this exponent. This will give me 3 power 12 times 80. So from here, I will simply have 3 power 12 is 10 plus 2 times 80. So I go ahead and apply this identification. A power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. Apply it here. I'll have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 80. So we need to find the value of 3 power 10 equals 3 power 5 times 2. And this equals 3 power 5 or power 2. And 3 power 5 is 243. So this will give us 243 power 2. This will give us 243 power 2, which is 243 times 243. So we need to multiply this out. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. This is 9. 4. This is 20. 0 carry over 2. Add here 19. That is 9 carry over 1 over 5. So that is 594.9. And that is 3 power 10. So the whole of this here is 594.9. We have this equals 594.9 times 3 power 2 is 9 times 80. So from here, let's multiply this out. 9 times 9, we have 81, 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36 plus 8, 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4. 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45 plus 8, 53. 531,441 times 80. That's what we are going to do to find the final solution. 531,441 times 80. 0 times 1, 0 times 4, 0 times 4 again, 0 times 1, 0 times 3, 0 times 5, 8 times 1, 8 times 4, that is 32, 2 carry over 3. 8 times 4, 32 plus 3, 35, 5 carry over 3. 8 times 1, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry over 1. 8 times 3, 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 5 carry over 2. 8 times 5, 40, 40 plus 2, 42. We add up together. 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 5, 42. So if you have 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12, this equals 42,515,280. And this also is the same as writing 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. Because if you express this as 4 times 4, express this as 4 times 3, you are going to have 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. This is the sentence because it's 2,515,280. And also, if you have 9, this is just like writing 9 power 8. If you express this as 2 times 8, that's 9 power 8 minus 9 power 6. This 2 times 6. This will give you the sentence 42,515,280. You can as well transform this to this and to this. Just by here, the first step I did was multiplying this as, expressing this as 4 times 4 and this as 4 times 3. That will give me this one. I also express this as 8 times 2. Remember, 3 power 2 is 9, so that will give me this one here. So guys, that is it, and this is how you can actually evaluate this without a calculator. And I believe you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Now, a good recap is, first and foremost, express 16 as product of 4 times 4, 12 as product of 4 times 3. Then you apply this identity, a power n times m equals a power n times a power m. That will give you 81 power 4 minus 81 power 3. Then express for sum of 3 and 1. Then you use this to expand it, and you have this. Factor up 81 power 3. Then you have 81 minus 1. 81 minus 1 is 18. Now, if you know the value of 81 power 3, you can multiply that by 80 and you are going to get the answer. But if you don't know, express 81 as 3 power 12. That is 3 power 4 or power 3. Multiply the exponent, you have 3 power 12. If you know the value of 3 power 12, multiply by 80, you are going to have this answer. But if you don't know, express 12 as summation of 10 and 2, because it's easier to find the value of 3 power 10. That is 3 power 5 all power 2. And 3 power 5 is 243. That's just like saying 243 times 243. So this simply means 5,594 times 9 times 8. We started by multiplying 5,949 times 9. We had 531,441. Then we multiply it by 80. And you got our answer. And that is it. So guys, goodbye.